Hi, this is Alan. My register number is UK17C014, and I'm here to explain the 11th exercise of a C++ lab that's regarding templates and exceptions. I've got two questions. Let's go one by one. The first is regarding exceptions. So my question was the third one here. Create a class inventory with data members and overloaded operators, and the data entry should throw if either of these conditions are true. And in the main function I have to initiate 5 array objects, accept data for each exception thrown, basically just what's here. So these are the cases where I have to throw the exception, and at the end of the program I have to display the data fields for all the 5 objects. So let's have a look at the code. Inventory. Okay, so this is the class, two data members, the stock number and quantity. In public, I created a constructor where I'm also throwing my error, and these are the nested classes for quantity, price. Uh, then I've used a function. Okay, so the nested classes are also throwing errors wherever required. Uh, I have a function to get the stock. uh, Note here, I'm using the if condition here to throw the exception, and same for get quantity. That's the function to get the quantity, and using a if statement I'm throwing exception. Get price, same thing, if, and then I'm throwing an exception. In the end, the final function to just display the details, there's stock number, quantity, and price. In the main function, as the question required, I created 5 objects. So basically an array of size 5 of the type inventory. Using a for loop, I'm getting the details. So the reason I put this in try block because I wanted the while to be out. And if I run this line, if there's an error, it will basically throw exception. Uh, that's And in the end, okay, I'm just displaying the details that I've got. Well, let's compile and run the code. Enter the stock number. So if I enter invalid stock number here, it should give exception invalid stock number and force me to enter it again. And 23 is a valid, so it will accept it. Again, if I put invalid quantity, it will just say invalid quantity, and according to code, it will initialize it to a value. Same for price. Okay, the price can be negative. Okay, so let's just give the values here. Invalid price, if it exceeds 100, I think it will put it to 999. Let's see the details in the end. Yeah, so 99.9. So this is how exception handling works. The second program was with templates. I again got the third question. This was divided into two parts. So the first part was to create a function that is able to display 10 asterisks in whatever input I give to the function. So it can be a character, int, string, either of them. So any of the built-in data types. And the second one was to create a class employee of data fields of my choice, and a constructor to set the values, overloaded insertion operator, and display the data fields. And this would also work for the asterisk thing. So let's see the code. Template. This is the asterisk function for the built-in data type. So template class T, I'm passing T as a argument, and for loop, then after 10 prints, print the value, and again for loop. So 20. And class employee for the second case, My values, data members are name, ID, and salary. A constructor to get the details. A friend function to print the asterisk thing, followed by the name, ID, and salary. Uh, these are just the functions to make the user interface better. So enter the value. I that quest is being called here. Yeah, here, and call for UDF is the part of code I have to run for checking templates for user defined functions. And in the main function, I'm a first asterisk function for built-in functions. Then I'm calling the first call for UDF function and asterisk function for user defined data types. And that's where I'm calling creating a object for employing and counting employee. Uh, let's compile it and run it. Enter the choice you want to print. Let's go with a string here. So as you can see, 10 asterisks before, 10 asterisks after, and in the middle I have my string. uh, the second part for my user defined data type employee, the name, the ID, the salary. So it's even working for my user defined data types. That's it for now. Thank you.